Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask PC to mobile. First, ensure you have the MetaMask extension installed on your computer's browser and the MetaMask app on your mobile device. Once both are ready, open the MetaMask extension on your PC. Navigate to the Settings menu within the extension. Here, you will find options to either sync with your mobile or reveal your secret recovery phrase. To begin the syncing process, select the Sync with Mobile option on your PC's MetaMask extension. This action will generate a unique QR code on your screen. Now, pick up your mobile device and open the MetaMask app. Look for the option to sync or import an existing wallet. Tap this, and then use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your computer. This should quickly establish the connection. If for any reason the QR code scanning doesn't work, there's an alternative method using your secret recovery phrase. On your PC, go back to the settings and find the option to reveal your 12-word secret recovery phrase. Write these words down precisely. Then, on your mobile MetaMask app, choose Import using secret recovery phrase and carefully type in each word in the correct order. This will also connect your wallets. Remember, your secret recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Always keep it private and secure, never sharing it with anyone, not even MetaMask support. With your wallets connected, you can now easily manage your crypto on both devices. Also, if you're looking for a great read, check out the book linked in the description, along with other helpful deals. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.